My name is Prerak Sangui and I'm a COD alumni. I graduated in 2017 and now I'm an electrical engineering student at University of Illinois. Yeah, this is exactly where I started. Like I came to MRDC as like being a COD student and now I'm here in the MRDC committee building the arena. So like let me just walk you through like how this full thing works, like this puzzle, how this works. So the robots start here, like literally where I'm standing. And these are the pit balls. So each robot has a colored corner and then their pit balls is like really next to them. And then they have to like go on the other side and get their foam balls. And then they can shoot the foam balls either in the basketball court or in the basketball hoops. So they start with like 5 balls in it and they have to keep as much as possible while the others can try to like just push it apart or just like get it out of their pit. Okay, then what the other thing is, so these are called the Simon Says box. So it's like a puzzle. The lights light up in like a random order. And then what the robot has to do is press the buttons each in like a specific order. And as soon as all the buttons are pressed, they get like a 10-point bonus. And then there's like these pneumatics right here. So there's these pneumatics, these balls, they just go in. And then like as soon as they finish that, these pneumatics will shoot the balls out. And the robots have to like collect the balls and put it in their hoops. Like they have to shoot it in this. As you can see, this is the 10 boards on the bottom right now. This is the non-contact zone. So if anybody tries to like touch another robot or touch another robot's as like balls or the Simon Says box, they'll be penalized for it. Like they'll get like a -50 for that. Other than that, like let's walk over to the bridge right there. So this bridge, so the robot can cross this bridge like 3 times in a game and can get like maximum of 60 points. This is like the foam pit ball, the pit balls. Like it's not full yet, but like tomorrow it should be. And then like, so the robot can pick these balls up. And as explained earlier, they can put it in their original pits. And then like they can get 1 point for each ball they put. So they have to like walk over this full bridge and then they have to like tackle these obstacles and like these speed breakers kind of thing. And then they'll get like the points once they reach on the other side. You might be wondering why there's this loop. This loop is for like autonomous robot, for like flying robots. So like the flying robots have to like fly through them. And flying robots get like 2 times the normal points where every other robots would get. And if your robot is autonomous, like it just does it on its own without any human control or anything, they get 4 times the points for doing the same puzzle. At the end, like the team is judged on like how many puzzles they could solve, how many pit balls they got, how many pit balls they could get on there. And the other thing is like, so as you can see, there's a golden ball right there, which is like a bonus ball. It is 5 points. So it's like whoever can get it in their pit can get like 5 points for that. And I think I missed a little detail earlier. So it's like as soon as the robot gets its Simon Says box done, as you can see, there's like this big bowling ball. So there's these pneumatics. So like they act like gates, like here, like this one. So they act like gates. So as soon as a team like gets the Simon Says box, like the puzzle solved, these gates go down. So like a robot can take this ball and put it in their pit. As soon as they put it in the pit, they get like 20 points, which is like a good amount. And the catch is there should be like 4 robots in each arena, and there's only 2 balls. So it's like either or. Like somebody has to steal it from other, like, and only one can get it at a time. So it's like so that's like the real challenge. Like you have to be fast, you have to be concise, and you should be able to like pick this ball up. It's pretty heavy. It's like 5 pounds, which is like a big deal for like a robot of the size that we are working with. I think that's pretty much it. And like the team will be scored on like whoever does like the most puzzles in 6 minutes of time, and scores the most points.
One, two, 3, begin.
Let's go, Evan.
If you're just joining us right now, again, I'd like to take a moment and
He's coming along.
to the 32nd annual Midwest Robotics Design Competition here at the University of
Lined?
Illinois.
Is it lined up?
Line up. 2019.
Oh.
So, of course, we're in the center.
Yeah.
Whoa! First one.
Pimp.
Second. Up. Over. Whoa, second. Let's just showboat a little bit, you know? All right, lined.
You're a little crooked.
All right.
Go.
All right, ready? Lined?
Yeah.
Moving back across the
You got it. You got it.
or it looks as if they're just going to go back and forth on the grid.
All right, sound sets.
I think and the airborne entry conveniently got out of
All right, come around here. Drop it. All right.
Oh, wait.
Hey, you want to get on the other side of me? Look at him looking at the Simon Says.
Stop, don't break it.
I'm under the button.
Yeah, don't break it.
All right, ready?
Yep.
There we go. All right. Come around. I'm going to come around the other side.
Back. No.
Back?
Down. Up.
Whoa, okay, that was close. I almost hit it twice. All right. I'm just going to go straight down on this one.
Bring it back. No, up.
Good. All right, almost. Oh, I thought that was for us. I'm like, what? All right. Going down. Backing up a little bit.
Up.
Hey! All right.
Drink some water.
Drink some water.
Contact
Oh.
at the drop.
I don't want to hit him. Oh, hey. All right, let's get him.
Get him.
Let's get the ball.
Wait, what are we supposed to do with it?
Can we push the ball?
Oh, no. We're supposed to shoot those. No, never mind. Those
No, we can push.
Oh, no. Don't.
All right.
Drink some water. Let's get some
I'm
water.
going to drink some water.
Let's get some water.
All right, I don't want to hit that guy. I'm drinking. There he is. He's beautiful.
Oh, no, you're moving forward.
I know.
Oh, wait, actually, just try to hit the bowling ball. See what happens.
Our next challenge approaches.
Wait, hold up. Oh, wait, we can't get up for it. Just push the bowling ball.
Wait, I don't think I can cross that rope, can
I
I?
don't think you can. Just push the bowling ball. Push the bowling ball.
I can't cross the rope, though.
I know, just make sure it's on.
I could cross the bridge again.
I don't know if we can do it.
Oh, you don't think we can do that? All right. Should we go help our friend? That friend?
Actually, yeah, just block something. Just push something.
Actually, we could. Wait, do you wanna?
You just ran over a ball.
Yeah, I have enough clearance. Push the ball away from that guy.
That's what I'm saying.
But the majority of the action right now, the airborne entry is definitely getting some air. They managed to go through the hoop. Very nice.
We should hit them. We should nudge them. Oh, try to block them.
So right now it seems
I don't think I can.
in terms of being able to shoot into the hoop. The current team scores are 70 points Ernie, 70 points Danielle, 30 points AIAA-UIC. Oh, there goes the airborne entry up and down. Oh, and that does it for the airborne entry, I think.
Just stop moving.
Stop moving?
Stop
I
moving.
want to go up the ramp.
If we do nothing,
35 seconds remain.
All right, fine.
you can try to go up the ramp if you want.
No, don't go that way. Go the other way.
Oh.
Actually, yeah, try to knock the ball.
Yeah!
Get the gold ball in, we get 5 points. If we get it, push it to yellow. Push it to yellow. I've been used to seconds remain.
Oh no.
Oh, it looks as if Cañero has unfortunately pushed off the golden ball from the center of the ring. Teams, that does it for this match. Thank you guys.
So that helps.
Judges, we're only going to open up 2 sides of the course. We're only opening up the yellow side and the red corner. Again, judges, please only open up 2 sides of the course. This allows us to start the next game quickly.
See it go up the shallow? All right.
Why did you do that? It went up rear wheel first.
Yeah. But it'll only go up front wheel first on the other one, so.
The deal is, now you have one more thing we can do. You could have nudged the golden ball.
I've knocked it off.
Yeah,
But yes, we can, yes. That's the next thing, yes.
Judges, please start getting into position around the ring. All right, on the count of 3, we're going to begin. Ready? 1, 2, 3, begin. It's not started.
There you go, I got it. Next time.
Competing in this round, we have Marvin in the green corner, Team B in the red corner, and Scoot in the blue corner. So far, all 3 teams have decided to navigate down from the initial starting position at the top of the ring. Marvin is attempting to work on their light box, but they've decided to get out of the way of the other robot. Meanwhile, we have Scoot also attempting to work on their light box. They're about to hit their first LED light. Hopefully, it looks as if there's not enough force that Scoot is applying to have their button get pressed down. Meanwhile, we have Marvin, who's already engaged with one of the light patterns, going for the second. Teams, you have 4 minutes and 10 seconds left in this match. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remain. In the green corner, we have one of the robots trying to go back up onto the top of the course. It looks as if there was a slight issue going up the ramp, So it seems as if they're now going to move into position to not sure what exactly. Meanwhile, on the south side of the gym, we have Marvin, who is trying to suck up different kinds of plastic balls from their mosh pit using the vacuum-like contraption. Scoring so far for this round, which may or may not be delayed, is Marvin is in the lead with 10 points, Team B has 0, and Scoot also has 0. Teams, you have 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. It seems as if Team B is now working on their light box. They've managed to get one down. Similarly, Scoot is now also working on the second sort of light in their ordering. And just like that, it appears as if Scoot has managed to complete their light game, and they are awarded 10 points. Once Scoot completed their light game, balls were dispensed from the center of the ring. Now we have Marvin, who is on top of the course, and Marvin is attempting to deposit the plastic balls that it picked up from the mosh pit. Teams, you have 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 15 seconds remain. We currently have a 3-way tie according to our slightly delayed real-time scoring system. All 3 teams have 10 points. And just like that, we have Marvin back on top of the course with 35 seconds remaining. Oh my God, Marvin actually has a bowling ball in their scoring bin. Wow! That is amazing. That is the first time that we've seen a team manipulate the bowling ball object. Teams, you have 15 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, and that does it for this match. Judges, please open up the ring and reset. We're going to get started very soon with the next match. Thank you so much. On the count of 3, we'll begin. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Begin. If you're just joining us right now, I'd like to take a moment in time to welcome you to the 32nd Annual Midwest Robotics Design Competition here at the University of Illinois during Engineering Open House 2019. This year we have the returning favorite of the light boxes, or our Simon Says game, where we show the teams different kinds of light patterns and the teams have to then engage the sequence exactly. Once the teams engage the sequence, we have drop walls that are in the center of the course that are protecting a bowling ball. These walls will drop, and furthermore, balls will shoot out from the center of the ring. These Nerf balls can then be used to score baskets that are also in the center of the ring. In addition, teams can take plastic balls from our mosh pits and bring them up to their scoring bins in the top of the ring. Note that we do have a Quidditch-like ball sitting in the top. Teams, you have 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. The current score is 60 points to Southern Budget in the green for crossing the bridge 3 times, specifically at 5:45, 5:32, and 5:20 in the match. Please take note that the scoreboard that you're seeing projected onto the Southern projection screen is about 30 seconds behind. There is 4 minutes remaining in this match. Teams, be advised, there is 4 minutes remaining. We have Southern Budget almost finishing their light box. I believe they have one last light. Two lights remaining. Unfortunately, it seems as if Southern Budget's light box has reset. Teams, be advised, you have 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Again, please take note, 3 minutes and 5 seconds remain. The clock that's being displayed on the south or the west side of the gym is slow. So meanwhile, we have 2 robots up on top of the course and 1 robot that is sitting in the green corner. Or red corner. The robot that is in the center of the course is Southern Budget, and they have managed to take possession of the golden ball. It looks as if they're going to move the golden ball into their scoring receptacle, which is again a green box, and it seems as if they've managed to do that. The delayed scoring right now is Southern Budget with 65 points, Transformers with 0, and Meme Machine with 0. Teams, be advised, there is a minute and 30 seconds remaining. Also, please be advised that we've temporarily disabled the real-time scoring system on the south projection as we are rebooting the box. Again, teams, be advised, 1 minute remains. 1 minute remains. "45 seconds remains. 45 seconds.
25 seconds remain. 25 seconds remain. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that does it for this round. Judges, please open up and reset the rings. Teams, please immediately collect your robots, and let's get in the next group of contenders.
No, last round we were able to successfully go down the shallow ramp and then across the bridge 3 times very fast.
We did hiccup once or twice.
Yeah, there were like a couple little minor imperfections with getting onto the ramp. You have to be very accurate in how you position. Luckily, we designed the robot to be very skinny, so it can maneuver between the boards. It doesn't have to hit all of them. Yeah. But that said, we do have to position ourselves in a certain way to get across. Other than that, we're trying to do Simon Says a little bit faster. And then we discovered we can push the golden ball into our thing.
So this time we're going to try for one more challenge. So at the center of a pit, there's a golden ball. It's a heavier ball, worth 10 points. We're going to try to push it into our pit. We had a lot of time left over. We did things really quickly. We're going to try to enhance it what we did last time. We're going to come out. We're going to make those landings. We're going to do everything we can to just make it as efficient as possible. So, all right. I think this might be.
All right. On the count of 3, we are going to begin. 1, 2, 3, begin. Teams in this match are Ernie in green, Champaign-Urbana in red, Autonomous Robotics Club in blue, and Metal Gear SolidWorks in yellow.
They're not. All right, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Just go for it. You got it. You got it.
Right now, we have a showdown on one of the bridges. We have Canyonero moving across the bridge. Meanwhile, we have Ernie that is patiently waiting its turn. Canyonero has successfully crossed the bridge and is now going back and attempting it for a second cross.
We'll go for the button. Go for Simon Says. Go. All right, down, Evan. Evan, you need to go. You need to bring it that way. Down. Up, up, up.
Teams, there are 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remain.
Are they just going to block it? All right, you're getting across.
We have Ernie that has successfully made it over the bridge, even though they did a slight face plant on the other side.
All right, you got to bring it up. Bring it this way. Bring it this way. Bring it up. Bring it up. Down. Line. Up. Did I get it?
Meanwhile, we have Ernie that is navigating around its light box.
Go for the ramp.
Its light box is a game of Simon Says, which means that we'll flash the team a specific set of light sequences that they have to match in terms of responding with key presses
Part of their robots
on
on the
buttons.
ground. Is that a penalty?
No, but we'll pick that up.
Similarly, in the yellow corner, we have Autonomous Robotics Club attempting its own light box. Meanwhile, we have one team that accidentally got stuck in our ball pit completely. I believe that team will be declaring themselves as disabled.
Let it down. Let it down. Let us. All right. Stop. Just stop the controllers. Disable. Disable. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise up the controllers. We're disabled. No, stop. 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 Leave it on. Leave us on there. Leave us on there.
Metal Gear SolidWorks has unfortunately declared themselves as disabled because they cannot escape from our ball pit. Meanwhile, we have Autonomous Robotics Club still trying to work on their light box. And they've managed to successfully complete it, releasing the balls that are kept into the center of the ring outside. Furthermore, we have lowered their drop wall. Unfortunately, it seems as if Cañonero has fell off the bridge on the south side of the gym, between the green and the red platforms, and have effectively declared themselves as disabled. This means that neither team can have another robot touch them without receiving a flagrant foul.
So,
Between the blue and yellow corners, we have another robot trying to get up and over
if they cross the bridge, they'll pass the guys. I also got the Simon Says button. Yep.
Luckily, they were able to recover.
No.
I think they're going to do it.
They got it.
And they have successfully made it over the bridge, almost. They're having slight difficulties with some of the rumble strips, and it looks as if they've made it over. Nice job. Autonomous Robotics Club has successfully traversed that bridge. Meanwhile, we have Ernie that is moving around on the ring near their light box, trying to complete the light sequence. It looks as if Ernie has completed its light sequence, and they are now picking up Nerf balls. Their goal is to shoot the Nerf balls into the basketball receptors that are on either side of the course.
Sorry about that.
It's fine.
Ernie is now aligning itself for a shot into the basketball hoop. This is on the east side of the course between the red and blue corners. And Ernie, shoots, but did not quite make it. It was a little bit too short. They're going to gather new balls and try and shoot again. Teams, be advised, there are 50 seconds remaining. 50 seconds remain in this match.
It happens. You know, we came out, we tried our best, we placed top 16. You know, there's no problem in that. Like, we can walk away with our heads held high.
Just wish it was an electrical area, you know?
It's okay. It's all good.
I'm joking.
It's all good.
30
We got a
remain.
working robot.
You did
it
do
works great. It goes up the ramps. I'm very proud of everything it did.
Unfortunately, it looks as if Ernie accidentally used a little bit too much power and pushed off the golden ball in the center of the ring. There are 10 seconds remaining in this match. 10 seconds remain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and that does it for this match. Judges, please open up the course and reset it. Teams, please come and collect your robot.
Final round.
No, we got disabled on the ramp. I fell off.
A board got caught under the tire, and I tried turning out of it, and it just slipped and zoop right off.
It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys. We have a robot in one piece. Everything still works. We're bringing it back. Like
Demolition.
This was a success.
You're fired.
Yeah, you're fired. Fired.
We're sleeping.
East side, now that you're going part time now.
Like I've been homeless.
Who's the #1 community college here?
Yeah, we're the best community college here.
On the count of 3, you may begin to obliterate your opponents. May the last standing robot be the best. Ready? 1, 2, 3, begin! And immediately on top we have Fenweir, who's flipped one of the robots. Elsewhere we have ITR Goliath going up against others. Fenweir is biding his time up at the top of the ring. It looks as if he's about to... Oh! That came out of nowhere. Oh! Fenweir is now on his side. He's going to try and flip himself. Or he's going to use his carriage as a vessel of destruction. Fenweir has managed to right himself and is now going after with viciousness ITR Goliath. It seems as if one of the College of DuPage's teams has already lost one of the parts from its robot, making it almost immobilized. It seems as if both Valpo and Southern Budget have decided that the competitor from the College of DuPage deserves their most scrutiny, and the southmost quarter of the gym. It looks as if one of the teams might be pushed into the ball pit. Elsewhere, we have ITR Goliath going up against another robot. ITR Goliath has a slant to it, so it gives it an advantage in flipping it. Unfortunately for ITR Goliath, it seems as if this robot has multi-sort of navigation. So even if it gets flipped, it should be able to still function. Though, it looks as if the battery pack for this robot has gently been dislodged from its secure area, because every time ITR Goliath is hitting it, that battery is now moving ever so slightly. That smell is the smell of one of the robot's motors that is in trouble. Competing so far in this round, we have ITR Fenweir still alive, ITR Goliath. We have Ernie, or one of the Valpo teams up top, who is giving a tribute to, again, Mike, who is one of their team members that could not join them in this demolition round. Furthermore, Southern Budget is still in action. It looks as if the College of DuPage's bot sort of still has some level of movement. In addition, I've been told right now IEEE is declaring themselves as disabled. IEEE's robot is by Fenweir and the Valpo team. Please take great caution to avoid hitting that robot. Thank you. And it seems as if Southern Budget just narrowly escaped getting pushed into the ball pit. Oh, for how much longer can they avoid it? All right, again, ITR Fenweir seems to have suffered a slight issue with one of their wheels. ITR Goliath, and it looks as if Ernie are still alive. But Ernie, just narrowly escaped being flipped by ITR Goliath. Seemingly, Southern Budget is still alive. And there goes Valpo's dreams of winning it for Mike in France. ITR Goliath has effectively crushed them. It looks as if there are two competitors left. ITR Goliath and Southern Budget still are moving around. Fenweir also has decided to say that they still are moving as well, and they look forward to hopefully getting destroyed by the one who's still alive after the ITR Goliath and Southern Budget round. Oh, and there goes Southern Budget into the ball pit. It is now going to be between ITR Goliath and Fenweir. Can the Goliath killer beat the big bad wolf? Oh, and just like that, the big bad wolf takes a nasty fall. Can they right themselves? It looks as if their bad wheel is down, which means that they're not going to have momentum. ITR Fenweir is declaring themselves as disabled. Therefore, there is only one robot who is still alive in this competition, and that is ITR Goliath. Ladies and gentlemen, there goes the demolition round. Congratulations go out to ITR Goliath for surviving. If you're going to stick around, we're going to present awards to the teams, and that does it for the 32nd Annual Midwestern Robotics Design Competition here at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign during Engineering Open House 2019. We hope we've met your expectations in terms of daring to defy.